Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. It's a 2000s inspired makeup look and hairstyle. And if you want to know how I did it and you want to learn how to do it yourself, then please keep on watching. I already did my foundation and the base makeup off camera, just so that we can get more into detail on the eyeshadow and all the details. So I'm going to be using two different colors. Well, technically three colors. So I'm going to be using green, blue, and silver for the eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using an eyeshadow palette that I bought on eBay. I don't know the name, but the color is bright lime green. And it's the color right here. And I'm going to be using a blue color that is sky blue, this color right here. And I'm going to be using silver from H&M's eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this one right here. That's the silver I'm going to be using. So I want to start off with the green one, and I want to do the green just at the base along my eyelash, and then I will want to have blue kind of fading more out to the silver that I want to have right by my eyebrows. If I'm looking down, by the way, I have a mirror. And I'm gonna use like a spoolie brush like this. No, it's not a spoolie. I'm gonna be using like a sponge like this one. And I'm just gonna dip into the green. You want to do the green a little higher up than you want to, just because it's gonna blend in with the blue anyway. So, and look, it's really nice and pigmented. Now my outfit is actually quite blue, and so I had to look down to check. But yeah, my outfit is quite blue, so I want more of the blue because of the time period that I am taking inspiration from. It had matching colors throughout the look, so your eyeshadow either matched your pants or your top, most likely your top, but in my case the pants. So I'm gonna use the same but on the other side for the blue. And I'm just gonna dip into that one. And you want it to go all the way up to your eyebrows. All you want to do is create the shape, because, hold on, I want it more angular. You want it to be that sharp triangle, but I'm also going to bring the color down. That's why I'm not so bothered about the line right now. And then you do the same on the other eye. You know, this color combination, it kind of reminds me of Scooby-Doo. So I think that's quite fun. I want to bring it down now, so I'm going to be using a flat brush. And it's just a brush like this, quite flat. And I'm going to use half for blue, half for green. And I always go with the lightest color first, so that's the green one. And you just put it on your lower lashes. Just follow your lash line. You don't want it on your wet line, but you want it right underneath your lashes. But now I want to go in with the silver before I start blending. Smaller version of the first one. I use it. And you just use it as a way to kind of like frost your eyebrows. And remember, don't go too far down. Like, you want it to be an elongated line of the blue one, so you want it to be like a triangle. Now I want it to be really pigmented because that was the look in the day. And then I just want to blend it out, so I'm gonna take Essence eye blender brush, and it looks like this. And I'm just going lightly over the edges to make sure it's nice and blended. Now I will add more silver. I just want to blend this to see if I need to add more color. I think it's looking fine. I will add some silver in my inner corner, and I'm going to be using a brush by H&M. It doesn't say size or anything, but it's really small. Really small. So I'm going to take some of the same silver as before and just brighten up the inner corners of my eye. Normally I would do this after mascara, but I'm feeling in the mood to change up my routine. Now I'm just gonna apply mascara. So before I apply my mascara, I am gonna be curling my lashes. And I'm gonna be using Maybelline's the Colossal, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna be using jewels. They're jewels, and the brand is Fashion. And you're gonna need tweezers to keep them, because they're really small, to pick them up and to put them on your face. And then you're gonna be needing eyelash glue, and I'm gonna be using Depends eyelash glue transparent, and it looks like this. So for this look, you're gonna be needing 7 on each eye, so that makes it 14 jewels. Now you do want to wait for the glue to dry a little bit. The first one goes at the height of your eyebrow arch. For the next one, you can choose the space on your eyebrows yourself. So I'm thinking 1.5 centimeters. I don't know how much that is in inches, but I'm gonna be using kind of that space for choosing the next one. So it's gonna be about here, and then the next one goes on the lower, on the wing of your eyebrow, to say the least. Now the next place you're going to be putting the jewels is actually going to be a lot easier, because you're going to be putting it by the corner of this eye, by the corner of the eye, and then one by your eyebrow, and then one exactly in the middle. And the last one for the eye, this is a fun one, because it's going to be going in the corner of your eye. And now it's time for the hair. So you're gonna need a parting comb. It looks like this. And you're gonna need butterfly clips, really small ones. And you're gonna need 2 elastic bands to put in your hair. And I just, like this. You're gonna need these. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is parting our hair exactly down the middle. So the next thing we're going to be doing is braiding the hair. So I like to take a clip and clip aside the side that I'm not going to be using, just to make sure it doesn't get over to the side, to the other side. Now I want to do a section that is from the center split to the arch of my eyebrow, and just pull a small section. And that's what I'm going to start with, because we're going to do a French braid. And you part it into 3, and you start braiding. You can start braiding from the bottom or from the top. I prefer the top. So, and then you just add braids, you add here as you go. One thing you have to make sure is that this line is exactly straight. Now you stop at the crown of your head, and then that's where you stop adding hairs, and you just keep braiding the hair down. I almost forgot to mention, you're gonna need bobby pins for this look as well. We're making braided space buns. Now it's on to the bobby pins. So what you want to do is take your braid and just wrap it around. Doesn't matter which way, just take the one that is most comfortable to you. Make sure when it's becoming shorter that it tucks underneath. It doesn't matter if it tightens underneath because we have all the loose on top that we're going to cover it with. And just secure it with the bobby pin. And there you have the first one. And you want the second one to be similar in placement and in size. And there you have them. I think it's important to put hairspray in the hair before you put the butterfly clips because it makes them grip a lot better. So I'm just going to be using Lion's Professional Hairspray Ultra Strong number 4. And it looks like that. And now it's time to put the butterfly clips in, so I'm just going to be putting them randomly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.